This video goes over how to search for data within created territories. So the first thing I'm going to show you is we have a data set of breweries on the map, just designated as little blue triangles, and then I have 3 territories in the state of Colorado. The first thing I want to show you is how to just create a list of the points within each territory. So one way I can do it is I can just click on a created territory, and this little search box comes up, and I can click on the search with binoculars, and it'll ask me what I'm looking to find within that area. I'm looking to find a list of the breweries within the area, so I'm going to click next. And then we get to create a marketing list. So I just give it a name, any name I want. Breweries within territory 1, and click create. Now I have a list of all of those points that are within that specific territory. If I click this little pull down arrow, I can see that this is taken from a subset of the overall list. And if I am to look at the bottom, I can see that I have 165 out of my 10,000, almost 11,000 points on the map. If I want to get this information out of the program, I then click on the export button, and I can export that back out as a CSV file. Okay, so that's the first way to query the points within a territory. The next option is if I go back up into the data window, I can go to my master list, and then I can look to this golden puzzle piece that says search by territory. And if I click on that, then I have different options that pop up. The first one says search locations inside the territories. That's the one we're going to choose. We also have an option, if you need, to search locations outside of any territory or show territory assignments in the data window. I'm going to choose this first option. I'm going to find all the breweries within a territory, and I'm going to click next. And so then I have territory 1's already done, so I'll go ahead and I'll do territory 3. So I just select territory 3, click next. I get that same window that I had before, and so I just give it a name. Territory 3, click create, and now I can see I have 220 locations out of my almost 11,000 points. And once again, it's a subset of those points. I can then choose to export at the end. One thing I want to show you while I'm in here is, let's say that you wanted to filter. So I have my points in the map, and I have my breweries within territory 3. Let's say I only want to show those points on the map. So now that I have this list here, I can click this filter map view by content. We also have by selection, but in this case, you're going to want to leave it on content, and I just check this box, and all the other points go away. If I ever need it back, then I just uncheck it, and all the points are back. If you ever want to filter the entire territory on its own, then what we're going to do is we're going to choose this pull down list, and we have this territories option here. This lists all the different territories that I have created on the map. Let's say I only want to see territory 2. I can go right into this filter by name and type it in exactly as I have it. Click enter, or this little filter icon here, and what it does is it isolates that territory by itself. So I can see that the other ones have been filtered out of view, and then I do the same type of thing that I did before with the points. Check that off, and then I'm only looking at that territory. Then I can go back and filter those other points out if I wanted to, just by creating a new marketing list. By going to my breweries, search by territory, and this time I'm going to do inside of territory 2. Create. And now I'm going to filter map view by content, and now I'm only looking at territory 2, and I'm only looking at the points within that territory. When I'm done, uncheck it, go back to our territories, and I will uncheck this as well, and now everything is back. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks, and have a great day.